For making perfect cone model, you have to consider some things like circle, base of the cone. This base of the cone, you have to consider the circumference of a circle, and this circle of the cone should be equivalent to this circumference of the circle. That's why you have to take the equal measurement of circumference of a circle and this size, so that it could fit perfectly like this. Here I have made one. It is perfectly fit on the circle because the size of both the circle is same. So let's calculate how to make the cone with perfect measurement. So first we have to take circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So we'll take 4 centimeter radius for a circle. Here 2 into pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into 4. Then equal to 2 into 3.14 into 4 is equal to 2 into 12.56. If we calculate this both, we'll get this is equal to 25.12. So here we'll have to consider this measurement. Afterward I will show you how to take this in consideration. So see, so first we'll take A size paper. This is A4 size paper. So first we'll take 4 centimeter in rounder and make a circle here between this side. I have taken 4 centimeter in rounder and little bit I will fold here from here in the middle. Here only this much, like this, and I will take from here 4 centimeter circle I will make. Okay, now from this point, midpoint, I will consider this point and then I will mark here, and from here I will take half of the circumference of a circle. Here is 25.12, half of the 12.5. So we'll take this 12.5 here in the scale. From here we'll take 12.5 here. And then in rounder also we'll take the same measurement, 12.5, and we'll make the semicircle from here like this, and taking the same size in the rounder, we'll keep the point here on this mark and we'll cut here. Same. So why I am taking 12.5 instead of 25.1? Because here I am taking half, and half of the measurement I took here 12.5 here and 12.5 here makes 25. Okay, now we'll join these 2 points, this point and this point, this point and this point. One is this point, and this point, and this point, and this point. So now we'll cut it from here, 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 and here, and here, like this. For making working model, you will have to make holes. Here one, in 2 corners, and here. Just make a fold from here, like this. Stick the glue on the circle. Apply glue on the circle. Stick like this. Now your pull-up model is ready.